Simpra Inventory Optional Fields. In Simpra Inventory, it is possible to add optional fields to our stock cards parametrically. In order to make the relevant definition, we click on Optional Fields under the Management panel. In the window that opens, we start the definition process by pressing the Add Optional Field button. The name of our module is Stock Cards. The field that we will add, for example, parametrically in the products that we make external purchases, we want to add a parameter that the related products are external purchases. After typing our optional field name, there are 3 kinds of options in the field type. We can add 3 types of text box, checkbox, and drop-down. Let's make an addition in the form of checkbox as an example. After pressing the Add button, our identification process is completed. After that, when we access the Stock Cards module under Master Data, so, for example, we are purchasing Parmesan cheese from externally purchased. When we call the relevant stock item, we press the 3 dots and press Edit. In the detailed entry, and when we get to the bottom, as we can see on the screen, we have the parameter that it is the externally procured stock that we have just defined. When we click on the relevant parameter and finish editing, we can now get our reports about this parametric field from the Reports section. Let's add another optional field with other options. I say Add Optional Field again. Stock Card again. For example, Stock. I would like to add a title called Tip. From the field list, let's make an addition in the form of a text box or drop-down. In the drop-down section, Fresh, Frozen, and I added my 3 stock types as dry. Then I complete our process by pressing the Add button. In this way, I access the Stock Cards module under the main data in the same way. My stocks arrived, starting with the vegetable and fruit group as on the screen. For example, I say Edit the 3 points of the apple stock. From the detailed entry section, see the stock type we added a little while ago? If the relevant product is a fresh product from the window that opens, I select Fresh. I finish editing. Another different stock as an example. Let's try it. Baking powder, for example. I press the 3 dots and say Edit. Since this product is a dry product, this time I select the dry option for the related product. If we want to categorize our stocks as dry food products, frozen food products, or fresh products according to the optional fields we have just added, we can make a configuration in this way. And from the reports in this way, dry, frozen, and fresh products. And we can get our reports.